How to fix phone vibration not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix phone vibration not working. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release our new video. Without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. So to fix your phone's vibration, first check for your settings. So locate your settings, open it up, and you can go to sounds and vibration. Tap on it. And from here, make sure that the vibration option, tap on vibration option, head over there, and it is turned on. So you can see the notification vibration, you can enable that, and you can vibrate during a call as well if you want. From here, the intensity slider, make sure that the intensity is set at high. After you've set it at high, you can then go back and make sure that your do not disturb mode is not turned on. So make sure to disable do not disturb and you should be good. After finally setting up everything, just restart your device. You can press on the volume up and the power button. Tap on restart and restart your device. After that, if that fails, update your software. Go to your settings. Go to your system at the bottom. Go to system updates. And make sure you're updated to the latest version. And again, if that fails, there might be some hardware related issue. So just go ahead and get it checked, get it repaired, and that should fix your problem. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.